Yarn and its architecture. Let's look at the elements of the Yarn architecture. The three important elements are the Resource Manager, Application Master, and Node Managers. The Resource Manager, or RM, which is usually one per cluster, is the master server. Resource Manager knows the location of the data node and how many resources they have. This information is referred to as rack awareness. The RM runs several services, the most important of which is the resource scheduler that decides how to assign the resources. The application master is a framework-specific process that negotiates resources for a single application, that is, a single job or a directed acyclic graph of jobs, which runs in the first container allocated for the purpose. Each application master requests resources from the resource manager and then works with the containers provided by the node managers. The node managers can be many in one cluster. They are the slaves of the infrastructure. When it starts, a node manager announces itself to the RM and periodically sends a heartbeat to the RM. Each node manager offers resources to the cluster. The resource capacity is the amount of memory and the number of vCores or virtual cores. At runtime, the resource scheduler decides how to use this capacity. A container is a fraction of the node manager capacity and is used by the client to run a program. Each node manager takes instructions from the resource manager and reports and handles containers on a single node. In the next screens, you'll see a detailed explanation of the three elements.